in your opinion, how much of current developments in terms of AI is hype in finance and payments, and what are the real use cases?
I think what we found is the real use cases at the moment are internal and how we're
Okay.
managing automation control within the operations functions of the business. So that can go from simple use cases of payment repair remediation when a payment fails, how you collect the data, how you manage that data really quickly so you can remediate payments really quickly, through to fraud investigations, compliance investigations.
Hmm.
There's a whole range of use cases and agents that we've built within the business, but they're around internal automation efficiency. We've also started to build internally APIs, obviously within all the platforms, but MCPs, so we can connect various tools like Claude and OpenAI to those to the data internally, and we'll start to expose that to our customers. So we see that the next step is where customers can then look at their data within Modulr, and only their data, obviously, within Modulr through their own AI solutions. Then we move into a phase later, which will be around agentic commerce. But I think that's going to be some of the text there. But I think in terms of actual user adoption, that's still some way off.
All right, I see. But don't you think, since you guys are going into pay-ins, payouts, I mean, invoice processing, you should work on your own agentic solutions to help your customers to, let's say, process invoices, collect invoices, and basically help with finance and accounting? Don't you think these could be interesting products to potential customers?
Yeah, absolutely. And some of that already is, to my point around where it's used internally, it already exists. So, for example, in terms of
Okay,
the
I see.
invoice management, yes, using AI as part of the invoice processing and recognition, so that you're taking the invoice image and being able to take the data, understand that data, and put it into the right places within the system, and then process the data from the invoice, for example. So there's already elements of that happening, but we'd refer that to how we're delivering using AI to deliver the solution internally versus direct customer use of the AI solution.